Okay, so first get some lubrication for the bolts, nuts and bolts. Let it soak, and then obviously we're gonna have to start taking out the brake hose, ABS wires, the stabilizer link. We're gonna have to remove just the top. You don't have to remove the bottom. And after that, to remove all of that, then you're gonna remove the top nut suspension. All right, here it is. So I first take the link off first. Took the link off, the brake line, and the ABS line or wire, and then the rest is the strut bolts. And then you kind of pry it with a screwdriver. And so now this is already removed. All I need now is the nut on the top, then it should be come out. Alright, so there's a kind of a door here for the suspension nut. So it was covered here. You just have to peel it off like that, and then it will expose the bolt or the nut. So you got one over here, one here, one over there, and there's all number 3 over there. So there are 3 bolts or nuts that you have to take out. So this is the last one. Now these shocks or struts should be ready to go out. There it is. There's a shock. So you gotta be careful when you remove it, because the wire here for ABS is dangling, and the brake line. So you don't wanna stretch this, especially the brake line and the ABS. You're gonna have issues. So yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna put the new one. Okay, so the strut's there. So when you put it in here, right, you kind of grab it and lift it up. Make sure you aim it into the right hole, and while you're here, you holding it like that. You put the one nut only for the first time. Just put just one nut, and then tight it, hand tight, and then after that you can do the rest. Alright, here it is, all done. Alright, so the installation is just a reverse. Okay, thank you for watching.